What's up guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel, Lucky Fluke Pools. This is our channel where we will grow together and pull some awesome cards. Happy Saturday, wherever you may be. Hope you're enjoying this Saturday. And look what we got today. We have some Phantasmal Flames. What a fantastic Phantasmal Saturday. You guys like my new little background, all the little soaps, figurines that I've been collecting over the years. A little bit of Naruto with the Akatsuki Foundation. Check it out. The Akatsuki Foundation, 2010. It's pretty cool keychain. My Pokemon coins. We have Eren Yeager, Kakashi. I blanked out who that is. Here we have Bumblebee, Spaceman from NASA, Bigfoot's footprint, and the Akatsuki cloud of blood. All right, guys, Pokemon time. Let's get it. I've been looking into getting some Pitch Black, some more Perfect Order, some more Chaos Rising, but my wallet says no at the moment. So just was able to get this. Let's get it, guys. Let's see what we get. Wish us luck. Let's get some Lucky Fluke pulls. That was a beautiful opening. Good job. QR code. Into the front. Let's go with Psychic. Oh, right, I got it. That was a Lucky Fluke guess right there. Alright guys, here we have Pommel, Charcadet, Absol, Swinub, Blowtorch, the mighty Blowtorch, Wigglytuff, Wigglytuff, Eternity vibes from the Swan Princess, Eternatus, Seviper. Alright, look at that, Seviper, very nice. And a Jigglypuff. Beautiful Jigglypuff. I like the stars in the back. Very nice art. Check that out. And then here we have, ooh, what is this? Mega Heracross EX. Wow, look at this card, guys. This is a nice looking card. 108 out of 94. Good pull, excellent pull. The Mega Evolved form of Heracross, Mega Heracross EX. Look at that. That's awesome. Awesome, very nice. Go ahead and put it down here, and then we go ahead and get my sleeves. You guys think this deserves a top loader? Should I top load it? I think I should. Man, I want to thank all the new subscribers. I've gotten a lot of subscribers within the past couple of days. I thank you very much. I welcome you all. This is your channel. This is all of our channels. This channel belongs to all of us. I hope you guys like my edits. I love editing. I love pulling these kind of cards. You know, I love Pokemon in general, childhood cartoon. And yeah, what else can I say? We're in it to win it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this pull. Mega Heracross EX. Amazing. All right, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.